So in this video we are going to deal with the lesson the fun they had. So before entering to the story we learned that the set of the future, at which time this situation of this story is going to round up, and what the current situation of this future is and how the children are there. So they are clear. It is clearly said that this story is set in the future. So it is set in the future. Then when the books and schools, there are no books and schools. There is no existence of books and schools. Then we automatically think, how is it is going to be possible? How can a student learn? Then does these children do not learn? They do not go to school. So they are here they are mentioning some more schools of the future. So they are telling that they will be learning through computers, virtual classroom, a robotic teacher will be taking class. They won't have books, instead of that they'll have e-text. So this is the situation of the future. Now we'll get into the major plot of the story. So now what is this? Margie. So she is the one who revolves around the complete story. So Margie is writing in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. So she is writing that Tommy found a real book. That is in her night, and the page was having the date 17th May 21st 57. Now we can understand that they are the future. Clearly they are in the 22nd century. So now it is very clear that now for them a real book is a history for them. So as we have Gurukulam, we don't know how it is going to be, and we used to think that could be some crazy or funny, or sometimes it would be interesting, it would be fun. So like that, she is also for them real book is in such a case that is it's a very old history for them. So the book was very old actually. Now Margie remembers something, that is her grandfather once told her that when her grandfather was a little boy, his grandfather used to tell him that there was stories when written on paper. So he is telling that the stories were printed on paper. All the stories were printed on the papers, and on hearing this, Margie was amazed, because they had not seen such books, or they just go through e-text and not books. So now the appearance of the book is given as yellow and crinkly. So the book seems to be yellow and crinkly. That is, crinkly means folded or having some lines, having completely folded, smashed with something. So now the situation, when they read the book, what comes the situation? So they are telling that while reading the book they feel awfully funny. So for them, reading the book, that is reading the textbook printed on the paper, is funny for them, because they are having learnt in the moving screen. So they have learnt in the moving screen. Now for them this e-text, when comparing with that e-text, for them this is seem to be very funny. So now when they start to read the book for the first time, they started laughing as only because when they turned back or flipped how many times, for them it showed the same page or same words were in the same page. So it seemed to be funny for them. Now Tommy started speaking, that is the owner of the book starts speaking that it is a waste. So he considers that the e-book is a waste for him. So we don't know why he is telling this. So he is telling that when we read the book, we have to just throw it away. So after finishing the reading, we just throw it away. So yes, that happens, right? After reading the book, when it becomes old, we just throw it away. But he tells that he is comparing this printed book with the television screen. So the television screen is telling that it has 1,000,000 books on it and we need not throw it away. So he is telling that it has 1,000,000 books and he not throw that outside. So because we not throw televisions outside, right? Or the mechanical teacher outside. So now Margie agrees with Tommy. So same with mine. So in this stanza, it is clearly mentioned what is the age of Tommy and Margie. So it is showed in the comparison that Tommy had read many books than Margie, only because Margie's age is 11, whereas Tommy's age was 13. So Margie is 2 years younger than Tommy. So Tommy would have read more books because he is as elder, so he would have read more books. Now Margie got interest in the book and she is asking, where did you find it? So she is asking, where was the book found? Where did you find the book? But Actually, Tommy was very busy reading. So he was very busy in reading, and he just told in a simple way, in my house. So he has found this book in his house, and because he was busy sitting reading in the attic. So attic is nothing a place that is below the roof, that is used as a storeroom. Now commonly foreign peoples used as a room for kids for their study materials, and it is decorated some times, and it is used in such a cases. So attic is a place which is most commonly used as storeroom, but it is now used in a different ways, interesting ways. So now here Margie, if he asks a question, what is this about? So she's asking, what does the book tell? What is the content of the book is about? Then he just simply says in one answer, as he is busy reading, he says school. So now Margie feels scornful. That is, scornful is nothing but showing without something worthless. School, she's feeling, oh, what school? So she's telling that there is nothing to write about school. Then there is what there is write to about school. So she's feeling, there is nothing to write about. Then what is the book is about? So because she hated school. So here it is clearly mentioned that Margie always hated school. So she doesn't like school. School in sense, they are mechanical teachers. So here we already learned that they are in the future, and they do not have any normal classes like we have. So they have mechanical teachers. So that mechanical teacher was having test after test in geography for her. So she did not perform very well. So her mother, as usual, every mother used to ask her, why are you not scoring? So this was happening for her, and so she hated that mechanical teacher actually. So now this solved when her mother identified that there was something error in the mechanical teacher. So she called for the county inspector. So the county inspector was finally called, who used to repair these mechanical teachers. So now here the appearance of the mechanical teacher is given. So he was a round little man with a red face. So he is a round little man with red face who was carrying the whole box of tools with dies and wires. So if he need to repair something, he needs something now. Regarding that, he needs something, so he is carrying these things. As the elder ones enter, he saw the younger ones, if they see kids, they used to smile at them. So he also smiled at Margie and gave Margie an apple. Then he went with the teacher to work. That is, he started to repair with the teacher. So Margie thought that he wouldn't do it very well. That is, he would not do that so fast, and it would take some time for it to get repaired. But he completed within an hour. So the teacher was ready within an hour. So now Margie mentions the teacher as a large, black and ugly big screen. So the teacher is with a big screen which was large, black and ugly. So now, as Margie did not like, she tells that it is large, black and ugly big screen. So now Margie started, oh my god, he has completed working on it within an hour. But Margie did not expect that. So now the Margie actually hated only because she had to put the homework on the test paper, and homework and test papers. So as a child, everyone doesn't like to put homeworks and test papers. So here Margie also hates doing homeworks and test papers because it has to be done it in a punch code. So this punch code is something like a computing language which has been taught to Margie at an age of 6. So now the mechanical teacher, you know how mechanical teachers, so even if normal teachers used to take time to correct test papers and then give homeworks and then verify the homeworks, but this mechanical teacher, as soon as we enter the homework in the particular slot, it gives us a mark within no time. That is, it gives us a mark very quickly. Now the inspector, after completing, he has to tell something, right? So he smiled at Margie and patted Margie's head. That is giving a slight tap over Margie's head. Now he is telling to her mother that it's not the little girl's fault. So he is clearly telling that the scoring less of the mark was not her fault, Mrs. Johns. So here the mention, he has mentioned the name of the mother of Margie. So mother's name is mentioned as Mrs. Johns. So he is telling that the geography sector was geared a little too quick. So geared in sense, that is, it has increased, that is, the standard or level is geared to quick level. So he is telling that the geography sector has raised up. So then now he is telling that now he has slowed down to an average 10-year level. So for the students of 10-year age, it has been average to the age of 10. Now he is always telling that her progress is quite satisfactory. So he is telling her mother that it is not Margie's mistake and her work and study was quite satisfactory, because it has been was because the geography sector was geared. So he finally concludes that this is not the fault of Margie. So Margie was little satisfied with that, and he again pats Margie's head and he moves. Now Margie was disappointed, but still why Margie gets disappointed, that is this para tells about. So she was thinking that Tommy's teacher was taken away nearly for month. So for a month Tommy's teacher had a error in this, and the inspector took it for 1 month for checking, because the history sector, so that is geography sector for Margie, for Tommy the history sector has been completely blanked out. That is, the data of the history sector has been completely erased. So now he tells that this is going to get an error. She is telling that I thought he would take it for days, he would take it for at least some days, and she was very happy that okay we are not, but now she is disappointed because he repaired it in 1 hour. It was repaired and it was given to her, that the mechanical teacher was ready to teach lessons for Margie. So now she is telling to Tommy. So Margie is telling to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? So here why she hated school, all the reasons for why she hated school always was given. Now she is asking continuous. After Tommy has answered, now she is asking Tommy again, why would anyone write about school? So this is for this video, and what Tommy said in reply and what happened next and what was in the book will be a surprise. We'll get it in the next video. Thank you.